So, your question. What is it? You have exactly 1 minute.
It's about the hat. Tam Tite. He's a great friend of mine, and recently he's convinced that his long-deceased family is still alive. And of course his family cannot really be alive, because he said the Jabberwocky killed his family on the Home Vendors Day, and I killed the Jabberwocky on the Patrick's Day, and I got permission to keep, so I was confiscated.